I'm Chris Lath. I'm the Managing Director of Purple Audio, and we use NST processors. When we deploy large music systems for festivals, we depend on all our equipment, amplifiers, and more specifically, processing. Our current inventory at Purple Audio is 7 NST units, most of them being D48Xs. We use these for all of our shows, whether it be for front of house system, on-stage booths, monitor stands, infill, outfill. It's across the board on every system we deploy. In 2018, I was first exposed to NST processing while touring overseas in the UK. They seem to be quite popular over some of the other processing that other audio companies had been using. At the time, I'd been told that they sounded a lot better in the top end, and I had to investigate further. As soon as I got my hands on an NST unit here in Australia, the first thing I did was I back-to-backed it against another brand that I was using previously with my system. And my first experiences were open top end in the NST. I thought it was amazing, transparent and clear. They're easy and intuitive to use. They're on Apple software, which is amazing. A lot of other brands can be stuck on PC, and I've been on Mac for forever. So being on the Mac platform is a big plus, and it just gets you out of the gate and rolling straight away. What I like about NST is the DNet software. Very user-friendly and very easy to navigate as well. I'll be changing anything from input gains to output gains and structuring through a set or a show. And this is driver dependent as well through our speaker system. The other great thing about the DNet software is it's accessible via laptop, which I usually use on a gig, but you can also get into it via an iPad as well, so you can wander around as long as you've got Wi-Fi access. Once I heard Group Technologies were supplying them in Australia, it was a turning point for us because it gave us quick access to these processors that we now use across our entire range. NST have definitely raised the bar with this processor, and it's something that Purple Audio really can't live without. We've employed all their processors pretty much across all of our amp racks, and we just can't live without them now.